If you are looking for the best espresso machine under 200, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. SOWTECH Espresso Machine. If you're not trying to brew many cups at a time, you can choose a smaller tool that suits your caffeine needs. This is exactly what SOWTECH provides. This best espresso machine under $150 has 3.5 bars pressure and is the most affordable of the products in this article. The machine has one control for all functions, and its compact design is still powerful and brews cups quickly. Number 2. Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. Mr. Coffee has been manufacturing automatic coffee machines for almost 50 years. No matter how demanding you are, you can find a Mr. Coffee machine that fits your needs and budget. It is no surprise that Mr. Coffee has a lot of regular customers. If you are familiar with the brand, you know that it offers a large number of different products. Therefore, it can be difficult to understand which espresso maker suits your needs. Having analyzed several devices, I can confidently say that the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Maker is worth a try. Number 3. Nespresso Vertuo Coffee and Espresso Machine by Breville. The Nespresso Vertuo is a new system that offers freshly brewed drinks with cream. In general, I was delighted with the performance of this device. Everything is convenient and makes sense, and you always get excellent results. Although performance is important, appearance and design are the first things you notice when you open the box and take out the product. The Breville Vertuo is a stylish, modern black model with chrome inserts on the sides. Number 4. Number 4. Nespresso Coffee and Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. Nespresso is dominating the top 10 in this category, but we couldn't overlook this alternative in the Vertuo family with a few features from DeLonghi. While this machine is almost identical to the others, what knocks it down the list is that it just isn't different enough or full-featured enough to warrant the price. Here is what you can expect from the Vertuo-DeLonghi collaboration. All the same features of the original Vertuo, a larger 54-ounce water tank, and 17, as opposed to 13 capsule used storage system. Number 5. DeLonghi Bar Pump Espresso and Cappuccino Machine. DeLonghi ECP3420 is designed for convenience. Out of the box, this espresso maker requires very little effort to set up. Everything will be ready to go, and you can quickly make a drink. Everything in the brewing process has been streamlined, which is ideal for those who do not have much time in the morning. The 37-ounce water tank is removable, making it easy to fill, and has a self-priming system that significantly reduces waiting times. Consumers can choose between double and single shots of espresso at the touch of a button. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.